Tiebacks are used to secure structures to the side of a cooling tower. Some examples where tiebacks may be used are stairways, access ladders, and electrical conduit trays. A tieback is usually constructed of 4x4 or an FRP structural member equivalent, such as 3.5-inch square tubing. The tieback will be fastened to the cooling tower's main structure at a minimum of 2 locations. Commonly, the cooling tower's vertical load-bearing columns are used to secure the tieback to the cooling tower. Once a tieback is installed, the desired structure will be tied into the tieback using other structural members and hardware. The first step to installing a tieback will be to determine where the tieback will need to be installed. Tiebacks are typically installed every 8 foot. Additionally, tiebacks will often be installed on corrugated casing, which will require a corrugated block or spacer to be installed so that the tieback will have a flat surface to bolt to. Once you have determined where you want to install the tieback, you will need to find at least 2 load-bearing structural columns to bolt the tieback to. A longer tieback may require additional anchor points. You will start at one end of the tieback and drill a hole through the casing, if applicable, and through the center of the structural column. If casing is attached, you will then slide hardware through the tieback, the spacer, the casing, and the structural column. The spacer will not be required if there is not casing at the anchor location. An employee on the other side will install nuts and washers and tighten the hardware. Next, you will move to the other side of the tieback, ensure the tieback is level, and repeat the previous steps.